In this chapter, we're going to start looking at the carboxylic acid derivatives. So we already know what the carboxylic acid is. We have the carbonyl bonded to an OH group. So for the most part, the derivatives of carboxylic acids are just the functional groups where we have things other than OH attached to the carbonyl, other heteroatoms. So for example, if you have a Cl, that's an acid chloride. Or you could have really any halide. If you have a Br, that's an acid bromide, and so forth. We can also have, instead of an OH, an OR group. And that R can be any carbon chain. I'll just give you one example. Let's just say it's an ethyl group. That is an ester, in this case an ethyl ester. If you have a nitrogen, it could be NH2 or NR2, that's an amide. And then the other one we'll spend some time looking at it has another carbonyl group attached to an oxygen. And this is called an anhydride. And there's actually one other functional group that is a carboxylic acid derivative, although it looks a little differently from these, and that is the nitrile. And the reason that the nitrile is a carboxylic acid derivative, along with the rest of these, is that if you take any of these and you subject them to hydrolysis, these will all undergo hydrolysis to give you the carboxylic acid. Plus whatever fragment falls off from the particular derivative. So, for example, the ester would be hydrolyzed to give you the OR for the alcohol plus the carboxylic acid. But likewise, the nitrile, this carbon I've highlighted, ends up becoming the carbonyl carbon in the carboxylic acid.